Welcome to the Product Sample WooCommerce Plugin. In this video, I will show you how to enable product samples for your WooCommerce products and how to activate different advanced settings. So let's start. So here in the basic settings, first we need to enable this option like enable the samples. Here we can add the title of the product sample, and after that we can add the button position after or before add to cart. And if you want to change the background settings, then we can do from here. And here are the prefix or suffix for the product sample. Like you can see, prefix default is sample, and here is the option if you want to hide samples on shop or category page listing, and if you want to display the samples menu in the main header or not. Here is the option if you want to prevent sample original product to buy at a time from the checkout process. And here is if you are using the custom theme like Ajax add to cart, then you can enable options. And if by default it will enable sample for all the products, but if you want to enable this for specific products you just need to select list of products from here to enable the samples for specific products. So right now we continue with all product as a samples. Here is the price adjustment. You can add the flat or percentage price for the samples, and default price for all the sample is 0. Here is the quantity management. If you want to prevent and allow only specific list of product quantity to purchase for the sample, then you can here. And here is specific user roles. If you want to enable sample for specific user, like only for stock managers. And here is the sync class and text. We can enable all these samples based on the custom things like next day delivery or different text. Here is some advanced settings, like if you want to enable exclusive offer and the right side bar, and is the sample follow-up email if the customer purchase samples. And after that, if you want to follow up with original product link, then you can add over here like after 10 days it will ask for the follow-up email. So let's have the setting and let's move on the shop page. So here we can continue with the shop page. Let's refresh the page. So you can see it's enable the button for samples all. So for example, let's add sample product, and we can also add original product, both products. So let's view the cart. So in the cart we can see this is the sample and this is original product. Sample price is 0. So let's change the setting here for the price. For example, if you want to add the price like in percentage, like 2%, let's save the settings. Save the setting, refresh. So you can see apply the 2% for the samples. And if you want to change the prefix like test, and save the settings, and let's see refresh. So you can see it change the prefix of the sample. And this is also option like if you want to prevent to purchase both at a time, the settings. And now we can see if we refresh, so you can see we can't purchase both original and sample products, so we need to remove original product or sample to make it checkout. So let's proceed to checkout, and we can just place an order. So order is successful, and we can see it here. Product type is test and price is 2. So yes, we can configure this type of samples for different store products, and we can continue with selling on sample. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day. Thank you.